Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize shapes using your keyboard, and if you want to be precise. So let's click on Insert, Shapes, and here we have some rectangles. So I'm just going to select this one here. And now, of course, you can just resize, change the size of this rectangle like this. Quick and easy, but now let's say you want to have a perfect rectangle like this, but you know it's kind of hard. Like, even if you go here and enable rules, no, just guides, and this one here, and this can help, you know, of course, to make some perfect, create a perfect rectangle. But another way is just to use shift, and now as you can see is perfect. Even if I turn off this, I hold shift, but make sure you hold shift, and this is quite useful, right? So make sure you hold shift, and also you can enable this one here. And if you want to move the shape up and down the lock on vertical or horizontal, that's we have to use shift and hold shift and enable this as well. And now to change the size using your keyboard, hold shift and then use the arrows on your keyboard, arrow up, down, left, and right. And this can also help you and save you some time. You can also rotate if you hold alt, not shift, alt. And now if you don't hold shift or alt, you just use the arrows, you can just move the shapes. So I hope you found this tip helpful. I learned this and I found it really helpful, so I decided to share with you. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next video.